Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are checking out this 2024 Toyota Tacoma that we have outfitted with the Retrax Pro XR Series tonneau cover and the Yakima Overhaul HD height adjustable truck rack. This combination will fit the brand new 4th generation Tacoma starting in 2024 with the 5-foot bed as shown here. There is a similar configuration available for trucks with the 6-foot 2-inch bed. The Pro version of the Retrax XR features sturdy aluminum slats and integrated T-slot rails for mounting truck racks such as this Overhaul HD. Retrax XR series covers feature a locking lever that controls opening and closing of the tonneau cover for easy operation and security. The Overhaul HD setup in this video is currently in the lowest setting with a height of 19 inches. This rack can be adjusted up to a 30-inch height or anywhere in between. For security reasons, Yakima supplied these keyed locking heads to help prevent someone from tampering with or attempting to remove the truck rack from the cover. The Retrax cover can be stopped at any point along the rail system and locked to hold that specific location, or pushed all the way to the front for maximum bed exposure. A couple of drainage tubes are fitted to the bottom of the canister, which the cover rolls up into to help keep things dry inside the bed. Thank you for checking out our video on this Retrax and Yakima Overhaul HD combination. If you have any questions on this setup for your Tacoma, please leave them in the comments below. We will provide some links to these products in the video description to check them out if you'd like.